We are getting ready to head out finally and change out all the tires on our coach, and I'm really excited about that. And here they are. They're all in here with all of our sewing stuff too. So, I think what people are going to want to know is why in the world would we put cheap tires on our motorhome?
Well, the thing with that is, you know, cheap tires versus name brand tires, the DOT rules all of that, right? Their rules and criteria for selling those tires in the U.S. are extremely strict, and they are not kidding about it, you know. So, really, what name is on it is kind of irrelevant.
What makes you think that?
Well, I was doing tires in actually a couple different places. A landfill for Grey Wolf landfill, and then a large fleet with a distribution company. And especially in the landfill, actually, they ran a lot of double coin. Because, you go in the landfill and you're going to get all kinds of nails and things in your tires. That just happens. And so they had, they kept their costs down like that. But it's the same deal. And, they put a lot of fancy bells and whistles on the name brand tires, da-da-da technology, blah, 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 whatever. You've heard all the little things. But it's really all the same deal. And I saw the same amount of double coins as I did any other name brand, just worn down, not exploded. They did their whole life, just like they're supposed to, no problem. So I don't see any real difference in the two from my experience, having changed literally thousands of tires. So there you go.
Do you guys mind being on a YouTube video about tires?
I don't mind.
Oh, good. Okay, good.
Send me the link for it.
Okay. You bet. Boondockabillies.
Yep. A little bit of heat bluing right here. These could use turned, but we don't have any grooves in it.
Just this one was broken.
And where were we when they said that it wasn't broken? Where were we?
He said it was just loose.
Loose.
Tightened it up and put it back on free of charge. That was Arizona. We drove it up here from Arizona with that.
I'm glad nothing happened.
Aren't you glad we didn't know that, right?
The smell coming out of the inside of the tires is really bizarre. It doesn't smell like tires anymore. It smells
Like old rubber. Really old rubber.
To me, it smells like
And compression.
rotten food or something. It smells weird.
Compressor
It's
smell.
bizarre.
Rubber smell.
Gonna have some breakfast while we're waiting. The Wiki Station Sports Pub. This is the first time we've been in here, so we'll see what it's like. Thank you, honey. This is really, really good. Arizona.
Yeah. It's awesome.
Before and after. This is before.
I'll be right back. 335. We didn't charge for the valve stem or the extensions or anything like that.
You guys are just awesome. Wow. All done.
All done.
Wait, I know that it's impossible, but I really can feel that the tires are better. It just feels better. I know it's psychological,
Right?
but and maybe it's not. Maybe it just feels better. It feels more buoyant or something. Yeah, it does. I think our tires might have been aired down too much or something still, or
Oh no, they were way up.
were they? No.
They were holding.
Well, it just feels better. This is awesome.
Look at all the dirt.
The wax. Ooh, ah. $30.
This lick man was all up down south.
Oh, it's so shiny. And we're back.